Aktobe, the city that is guarded by a griffin, at one time a provincial country town of the Turgai region, has now turned into one of the largest cities in Kazakhstan with a population of about 500,000 people. Today, Aktobe is the largest industrial, financial and cultural center of the country, the center of petrochemical, heavy and light industry. Located on the territory of over 2,000 square kilometers, this city has a special code of harmony. It smoothly absorbed both new tendencies of architecture and art of building, as well as national color and Eurasian culture. Aktobe has one of the oldest theaters in the country, the Aktobe Drama Theater, founded back in 1935, as well as the Puppet Theater and the Regional Philharmonic. There are 6 universities in the city, among them the Zhubanov State University and the Ospanov Medical University. A significant role in Aktobe is given to sports. In general, Aktobe is considered to be the most football city in Kazakhstan. A local football club named after the city has more than once become the champion of the country. From sports facilities, there are several stadiums, tennis courts, swimming pools, ice palace, fitness clubs. The social and life-supporting infrastructure is developing. New medical centers, places of cultural rest and entertainment are open. A favorite place of the city people is a health and entertainment park, Greenland, with its own beach area. There are all the possibilities for water tourism in the summer, as well as exciting sports and recreation in the winter on the territory of the complex. Its population also grows together with the city. Today, Aktobe is recognized as the center of economic growth among 4 large cities of Kazakhstan. In the future, it will undoubtedly become one of the largest metropolis of the Republic, with large green parks, squares, car interchanges, and a beautiful waterfront. But it will be another city, and only love for it will remain the same. Welcome to Aktobe.